best friends, welcome back to my channel. So I have this wig from Supernova. They sent this over to me, wanted me to try out their new lace, the new hot lace that's on the market. And no, it's not HD, it's something called Ly lace, L-Y lace. So they did send me an adjustable elastic band, a wig cap, and also their satin bag, so you can put your wig back into the satin bag after you have finished with it and you want to keep it healthy, so you can wear your other wigs and you can come back to it. So you always keep your wigs in a bag. You can also use these kind of bags too. So this is the wig right here. So this is what the wig looks like inside. It has 3 combs, adjustable straps. This is a full frontal wig, so it has an actual full frontal in it. This is a Bodywave wig. It's 24 inches, and I want to say it's 150 density, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, the lace is super soft. Oh my god. And it definitely matches my skin color. I want to see if you guys can see that, but it definitely matches my skin color better. I don't think I'm gonna have to tint this. Like, I don't think I'm gonna have to tint this. Like, it's perfect, actually. It's soft lace. It's not as stretchy as HD lace, so it will be more durable for the people that want HD lace. So the reason why HD lace is so bomb is because the actual lace holes in there are kind of big. It tends to blend in a little bit better, and so this has the same look, but it's just not as stretchy as HD lace. Knots are super tiny as well, and this is pre-plucked. So no, you don't have to bleach these knots, but you guys know I am gonna go in and bleach the knots for myself because I like the aesthetic of that. And I already have some bleach already whipped up, but I'm gonna use 30 volume developer with quick glue. The heater is on in my room, so it's probably gonna process a little bit faster. So definitely watch your wigs when you're using bleach, because the different elements such as the temperature in your room, the type of bleach, type of hair, all affects it, how it processes. Okay, so we're gonna bleach this, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna apply it so we can see how melty this lace actually gets. I just want to show you guys the cap construction before I start. So like I said, it's 3 combs and adjustable straps. This does not have lace in the back, so I wouldn't suggest you pull this up into a ponytail, but when you have lace fronts like this that has lace in the back, you could definitely put those up into a ponytail. And this is a full frontal wig. Okay, and so here's my consistency. It's not too thick, but it's fluffy. As you can see, it does move a little bit, so it's not too thick to where it's not going to penetrate or dry out too fast. It's thick enough to where it's going to stay put, but loose enough to where it's going to bleach the entire knot. Okay, you guys, so I did lose some footage, so this is me just applying the wig to my hair. I do want to say that this wig is a bit snug. I am a size 22 and a half, 23, if I'm feeling like I need to give my hair some room. So if you are like a size 22 and a half, 23, then you should know that this is going to be a bit snug on you, but I did make it work. So I did apply Bold Hold onto my hairline, Bold Hold Active. That's what I'm using. I use 2 layers, and I'm just gonna push the wig into the glue and just cut off the lace. Okay, best friend, so you guys see me apply the wig, you see me customize the wig, and so now let's talk about how I feel about Ly lace, since this is my first time wearing it. So I feel like light lace is a good alternative to HD lace, and I say that because HD lace is very soft and it's very stretchy and fragile, and it's very easy to tear, and you will only get about 2 to 3 wears, if that, out of HD lace, and that's if you know how to handle lace. Okay, light lace is soft but not as soft. The lace is thin but not as thin. You don't have to be a pro to apply it because it's not going to tear on you unless you just, you know, hulking it out and pulling it apart. But I would say that it is beginner or user friendly because of the fact that it is more durable than HD lace, but it has some of the same characteristics as HD lace. I hope that makes sense. This is my first time wearing a light lace wig. The knots on here were very good. Like, they were small. You didn't have to bleach them, but you know me, I went in and I bleached them. The lace just melted into my skin, and I was just very surprised. And I actually used boat hold to apply this wig. So this is what mine is looking like. I didn't pluck it as much as I could have or should have, but that's nothing. I could always go back and pluck it more. So this hair is very silky. I am receiving a little bit of shedding, but it's like little to none, and it's probably because I did bleach my knots and my knots were already so super small. And you do know when you bleach your knot, you are weakening your knots, which will cause shedding. Okay, so I just wanted to let you guys know that because a lot of you guys don't know that. So I'm very impressed with this, and actually the hair quality, because what I did notice was, you know, when you flat iron certain companies' hair, there's a lot of flyaways, not only at the top but throughout the actual bundles or wigs. I don't have that here. So I am gonna keep this wig on a couple of days because I did glue this wig down. And again, this wig is from Supernova. I will leave all the details down below in the description box if you are interested in trying light lace out for yourself. If you are highly interested, my suggestion to you is to do a little bit more research on the lace. Go on their website, YouTube some more YouTubers who have tried the lace and see what their reactions are, because I absolutely like this. I have worn HD lace before and I just feel like they have similar characteristics. All right, so if you have any questions or concerns, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Don't forget to follow my Instagram best friends. I'm gonna leave her right here and the link down in the description box for you to go ahead and follow up. All right, and until next time, bye best friends.